Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about solution preparation, and today we will discuss percent solution, particularly weight by volume percent solution. First of all, what is concentration? In concentration preparation, जब हम solution की prepare करते हैं, what is concentration solution mean? Actually, solution जब आप concentration बनाते हैं, it is amount of solute in known amount of solution or solvent. Mean we dissolve particular amount of solute in known amount of either solution or solvent. Now, what is difference between solution and solvent? If you take amount of solute first in flask, mean I have added first solute in flask and then make it up to the mark with solvent. Then this combination of solute plus solvent, its total volume makes solution. This is called solution. Mean total volume will be equal to solution. But when we say in a known amount of solvent, it means first we take solvent. Mean first we take required amount of solvent, then we add solute. A solute, after addition of solute, either volume is increased, it's okay. But first we take solvent. In most of solutions, we take, in concentration solutions, we take solution, not solvent. Solvent is used only in molality. In molality, solvent is used. In all other concentration units, solution parameter is used. Now today we are going to discuss percent solution and particularly weight by volume percent solution. Percent solutions are of three types: weight by volume by volume percent solution, weight by weight percent solution, and volume by weight percent solution. Value here mean amount, it is amount of solute, and in denominator it is amount of solution. Now amount of solute in weight mean we take weight of the solute in a particular volume of solution. Here volume by volume means solute will also be in volume, solvent will also be, solution will also be in volume, and so on. We will discuss this type today. Is most commonly used type of solution, weight by volume solution. In commonly in our laboratories, we prepare weight by volume solution. In weight by volume solution, amount of solute, it is taken in grams, and solution, it will be 100 ml. Say you want to prepare 6% solution of any compound. I mean compound is given to you and you have to prepare it 6% weight by volume solution. Then simply you can take 6 grams of that compound and dissolve it into 100 ml of solution. Mean you will take 6 grams of that compound, transfer this 6 grams first in 100 ml flask, then you add solvent, dissolve it properly and make it up to the mark, up to the 100 by adding further solvent. It will be 6%. Similarly, if you want to prepare 20%, 25%, 50%, simply take that amount. Say we want to prepare 25% solution, we take 25 grams of that compound, dissolve it into 100 ml of solution, it will be 25% solution of that compound. So weight by volume percent solution, these are very easy to prepare. Simply take required amount and dissolve it into 100 ml of the solution. You will you got same percentage of the solution. Second is weight by volume by volume. In volume by volume, amount of solute, now it's not in grams, amount of solute is also in milliliter and amount of solution is also in milliliter. I mean both are in milliliter. In volume by volume, mostly it is used for liquid sample. I mean if you have pure liquid sample and from pure liquid sample you have to prepare percent solutions. Then from pure liquid sample, you can prepare percent concentration volume by volume. And method will be again same. So if you have to prepare 10% solution of given pure liquid, then take 10 ml of given liquid sample and make it up to the mark, make it up to the 100 by adding further solvent, mean 100 ml of solution, mean 10 ml of given your compound, which is liquid, pure liquid compound, remaining 90 ml solvent, it is added, and final volume will be 100%. It will give you 10% required concentration. This is volume by volume. Same is weight by weight, weight of the solute, weight of the solution. Here solution is taken in the weight form, in grams form. It's not very common, but if you want to prepare this type of solution, then amount of solute, it will be in grams, and volume of solution, it also will be 100 grams. I mean, both values will be in gram, and method of preparation will be same. And next is volume by weight. In volume by weight, amount of solute, it is taken in milliliter, and amount of solution is in gram. It is also very uncommon way of solution preparation. Most commonly, weight by volume solutions are prepared, and for pure liquid, volume by volume percent solutions are prepared. So percent solutions are very easy to prepare. You will prepare in 100 ml of solution. So first you add your solute, then solvent, and final volume will be 100 ml. You got that quantity. It's all about.